Hello guys and dolls, Bob Roth here. I finished the control, or Denver I should say, finished the control for our welding device that you guys have seen before. This is just a standard enclosure with your standard plug-in with your fuse and off and on switch. And you got your jack, one for your motor, one for your rheostat slide. And we've got a really cool solid-state programmable stepper control on this. And what's really unique about this is that you can pick out any portion of the overall range of your motor and control just that speed with the full motion of your rheostat slide. So that really gives you the control and the consistency that you're going to need for successful welding, because as you can imagine, you have to have a pretty predictable and consistent feed rate for your motor. This was originally a MIG gun, which is now a cold wire feeder, and so it obviously has a much greater range than we would ever need for TIG welding. So you got your half 20 thread on here, which will basically mount on his socket and become basically his forearm. And so I actually used it today, and it worked really well. I'm really excited. I didn't have any trouble. Obviously, I'm not the welder that Joe is, but I think he's not going to have any trouble with it at all. It's a standalone unit, so you can put it on any TIG welding rig. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to move this slide just so you can see that wire just barely comes out of there. And you've got, because we're pulsing with the 24 volt pulses, it's got real good torque, and so it's real consistent, and it'll go much faster than you would ever need for TIG welding, even on heavy aluminum. So man, I'm just really excited. It just works better than I thought, or at least as good. I thought it was going to work good. So it works as good as I thought it would. And so Lincoln is going to be coming in, shooting some video on this, and they're going to be featuring it in their new ARC magazine. And at that point, then I'll be sending it off to Jeff Ernstone, who will be then giving it to Joe Norris, who, as most of you know, lost his right arm in a car accident. So I think this is going to get him back in business. I'm really excited about doing this, and really glad that I can help Joe out. And so I'll let you know about any news on this project, and God bless all.